So today we are about to study series and parallel combination of resistors. Okay. Resistors, series combination first. Okay. So if there are three resistors connected in such a manner that current flowing through each resistor are same. Understood? So if the current flowing through each resistor is same, then it would be known as series combination. Understood? As you can see here, current I is coming from this battery supply line, and I current is flowing through R1, R2 and R3 in all the passing through all the resistor. Current passing through all the resistor are I. Correct? So it will be series combination. Now let the total voltage or PV, potential difference, is V, and total R equivalent, total resistance of the summing up of all this would be R. Now from Ohm's law, what do we know? V is equal to IR.
Yes, sir.
So V1 is equal to potential difference would be different for different resistance in this case, but current flowing through each resistance is same. Correct? So now V1 is equal to, what we can write? If V is equal to IR, then V1 is equal to
IR1.
IR1, V2 is equal to
IR2.
V3 is equal to
IR3.
same as if there are n number of resistance in factories or in many places. You see there are a lot of resistance. Okay, if there are n number of resistances, then in general form, if this circuits elaborate little more, then just consider 100 resistors, 200, 500, 5 lakh, well, something. So in generalization of this statement would be, if there are n resistors, then Vn is equal to IR. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we know, for each resistors, voltage is different, right? For each resistor, voltage is different. So summing up the total voltage, that would be V1 plus V2 plus V3 total by Vn. Now V is equal to IR. We can write at the place of V, we can write IR. Okay. And now V1, V2, V3. Just put this data here. V1, V2, V3. Okay. Now I is common in each and every term. Take I outside the, and then give a small bracket, then R1 plus R2, R3 equal that. Now R equivalent, now REI will be cancelled out. Then what would be left? R equivalent, and this is known as series combination of resistors. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now coming back to here. Am I visible clearly here?
Yes, sir.
You can zoom out. Parallel combination. Same as if current flowing through each and every resistor is different. Current flowing through each and every resistor is different. Then it will be parallel combination. अगर इन सब में जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है each and every resistor से, अगर उनमें different करंट फ्लो करता है, तो वो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन होंगे. जैसे कि आप देखिए, I करंट यहाँ से फ्लो हुआ और यहाँ इस जंक्शन पे आया. आफ्टर दिस जंक्शन, अगर ऐसे समझिए कि ये तीन पाइप है, यहाँ पे ऐसे लगा हुआ, तो तीनों में पाइप बढ़ जाएगा, पानी बढ़ जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
तो सेम एज दैट फ्लो ऑफ करंट separated in these three pipes. Understood? I1, I2 or I3. Now R1, R2 and R3, and if there would be something like dot 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 and resistor. Same as this is ammeter, this is voltmeter. Voltmeter always considered parallel combination. This is the case with dot together. Right? Circuit is circuit is complete and current will flow. Okay, continuous chain. So if there would be no doubt, means switch is off. Here is dot. Okay. Now Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I is equal to
V by R.
V by R. I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to
V by R.
Same as dot dot dot. IN is equal to, for n resistance, IN V by R.
R.
Okay. Now summation of all the currents passing through all these different supply lines, these resistors, would be same at this point again. It will all summing up and it will become I. It should be
Yes.
okay. So it will become I.
I.
Now total current, let it be total current I. I is equal to I1 plus
I1
I2 plus I3
I2.
dot 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 IN. Correct. Now what we can write, I is equal to
V by
from
R.
here, V by R.
Yes.
Not take the V common because potential difference of this each point is same. Potential difference of this point would be same. So potential difference is same. So take the V outside, V cancel out. Then what is that? 1 by R equivalent. So if the resistances are in parallel combination, then you have to do the reciprocal of it, then add up. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this one would be simply add up if it is in series combination. So that's it. Series and parallel combination of resistors. Thank you. And as usual,
Jai.
Jai Hind.